morning, dear students. Our today's topic is using brackets from lesson number 1 NCERT textbook. So, see here, examples are given over here. 6 multiply 10 plus 7 multiply 10. So, 6 tens are 60 and 7 tens are 70. After that, if we add both of these, answer come over here 130. But we need bracket for that. So, it is not correct. If we write this way inside the bracket, it will be more clear. So now page number 24. Above examples clearly tell us, first, turn everything inside the brackets. This is called first bracket. Into a single number, and then do the operation outside, which in this case is 2 multiply by 10. यानी ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो रहेगा फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट के अंदर उसे हम फर्स्ट कम करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वट एवर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन, डिविजन जो भी दिया है, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस, एंड व्हेन इट विल कम इन सिंगल डिजिट देन ओनली वी रिमूव द bracket. Our next topic is expanding bracket. What is called expanding bracket? Now observe how use of brackets allow us to follow our procedure systematically. Do you think that it will be easy to keep a track of what steps we have to follow without using brackets? See, one example is given over here. 7 multiply 109. So first 7 multiply 109, right over here 100 plus 9. Now according to our distributive property, we multiply first 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. So 7 into 100 got 700 and 7 into 9 got 63. After add both of these, the answer will come 763. So if it is double, that is 102 multiply 103, majority are doing like that, only break this one, any last number, but it is compulsory if the both numbers are breakable, and nearest to 100 or 1000, we have to break both the number. 100 plus 2, right over here 100 plus 2, and 103 multiply 100 plus 3. So now multiply this way. ये जो 100 है इसके साथ इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, प्लस 2 के साथ दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 100 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई 100 प्लस 100 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3, यानी एक बार 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और एक बार 3 से. सो इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई 100 इंटू 100 गेट 100 इंटू 100. नेक्स्ट 100 plus 100 into 2 plus 2 into 100 plus 100 into 3 plus 2 into 3. So 100 into 100, that is 10,000 plus 200 plus 300 plus 6. Add all these numbers. The answer will come 10,506. Here it is third example, that is 17 multiply 109. So 17 break up like this, 10 plus 7 multiply 100 plus 9. So 10 multiply 109 plus 7 multiply 109. Next break 10 multiply 100 plus 9 plus 7 multiply 100 plus 9. 10 into 100 that is 1000. 10 into 9 that is 90 plus 7 into 100 yani 700, and next 7 into 9 that is 63. So our answer, if we plus all these, we will get the answer 1853. 1853. Next topic is Roman numerals. This is very, very important. The early systems of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. This system is still used in many places. जो पुराने ज़माने में यूज़ होता था, the early system of numerals. For example, we can see the use of Roman numerals in clocks. घड़ियों पर शायद आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे रेलवे स्टेशन पर. It is also used for classes in the school timetable, etc. So might be sometimes asked, write the uses of Roman numerals. So you have to write this. Now come over here. This is called 1. 1 numeral, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Denoted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 respectively. This is followed by 11, yani 10 plus 1 for 11. 10 then 2, that is 12. Till 10 or 10, that is 20. Some more Roman numerals are, look over here. I means 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. And M means 1000. Again I am repeating. I means 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. And M means 1000. You have to learn all the alphabets and what's its values. What are the values? The rules for the system are, ये जो रोमन सिस्टम है इसमें कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है. फर्स्ट रूल, इफ ए सिंबल इज रिपीटेड इट्स वैल्यू इज एडेड एज मेनी टाइम्स एज इट ऑकर्स. यानी बार बार कोई एक अल्फ़ाबेट रिपीट होता है, दैट मीन्स उसकी वैल्यू भी प्लस होता है. दैट इज 2 times I is equal to 2. X 2 times is 20. X 3 times is 30. X 4 times means 40. X 5 times means 50. But here given 50 means L. So we have to use L when come it is 50. Then rule number 2. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. 3 बार से ज़्यादा एक सिंबल यूज़ नहीं हो सकते हैं. रिपीट, नॉट पॉसिबल. बट द सिंबल्स V, L and D. But the symbols V, L and D. V means 5, L means 50 and D means 500 are never repeated. यानी ये जो है V, L और D these three are never repeated. Sometimes ask question, how many English alphabets are used in Roman numbers? So count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write only 7 symbols or only 7 alphabets are used for Roman numbers. So keep it in your mind. V means value of 5, L means value of 50, and D value of 500. Never repeated. Rules C. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. यानी कोई पण स्मॉल वैल्यू अगर कोई पण ग्रेटर वैल्यू के राइट हैंड साइड में लिखा हुआ रहता है तो उसका वैल्यू उसमें प्लस होता है. सी द एग्जाम्पल ओवर हियर. 5. The value of 5 means V means 5. 5 is greater and I is the smaller. तो इसके राइट हैंड साइड पे लिखा है, दैट्स वाई प्लस इट. 5 plus 1 it is 6. Here it is 10. X means 10. 10 plus 1 plus 1 that is 12. 10 plus 2 12. Next LXB. L means 50. Then 10 means 10. So 50 plus 10. And V means 5. So 50 plus 10 60. Then V. The number is 65. Rule number D. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. यानी राइट साइड में ग्रेटर वैल्यू के राइट हैंड साइड पे कोई स्मॉल वैल्यू होता है, सो वी हैव टू ऐड, एंड इफ the smaller value will kept on the left hand side of a greater value, that means we have to subtract. So here the 5 V means 5 is the greater one and 1 is smaller and written on left hand side. So 5 minus 1 that is 4. L means 50 and left hand side X 10. So 50 minus 10 the value is 40. Next X is greater value 10, before that 1, so 10 minus 1 value is 9. C, the value of C is 100. Now left side 10, so 100 minus 10 it is 90. E, the symbol V, 5, L 50 and D 500 are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. That means V, L और D ये कभी भी कोई greater value के left hand side पे नहीं लिखा जाता है. So V, L and D are never subtracted. यानी ये जो तीन है V, L and D are never subtracted. कभी भी कोई नंबर में से ये subtract यानी माइनस नहीं होता है. The symbol I can be subtracted from V. I V से subtract हो सकता है because 5 minus 1 हम कर सकते हैं and X only. I जो है यानी 1 जो है वो हम खाली V और X में से ही हम subtract कर सकते हैं, बाकी C, L इन सब में से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. यानी 10 हम किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, 10 माइनस कर सकते हैं हम खाली L यानी 50, M यानी 1000 एंड C यानी 100. यानी 50, 100 और 1000 में से ही खाली हम 10 माइनस कर सकते हैं. So following these rules we get. See, 1 to 9 number given. 10 means 1x, 20 means double x, 30 means triple x, 40 L मतलब 50, उनमें से 10 कम. 50 L, 60 L plus 10, 70 L plus 2 10, 20, 80 L plus 3 10, 90 100 मतलब C, 10 less, and then 100 means C. So students, this way you can practice to write from 1 to 100 in Roman numerals. Here 1 2 3 4 40 never written like that, because 50 में से माइनस करना are not written. Can you tell why? क्यों आप बोल सकते हो? क्योंकि we have to follow this type of rules, because नहीं लिख सकते हैं हम कभी भी इसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर.